So hey guys, in my today's video I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft Teams on your running Windows 10. So if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started with our today's video title, how to download Microsoft Teams on your Windows operating system.
To start the download for the Microsoft Teams, you just need to go to the link microsoft.com, or you can also refer to the link that I have given in the description box. So after going there, you just need to click for download for PC or download for Windows, and as you can see, a download has been started for your Teams for the desktop. As you can see, my download has been completed. Now I just need to double click on the downloaded ones, and as you can see, a dialog box comes in front of me written with Teams loading Microsoft Teams. So as you can see, it will need some time, about 1 to 2 minutes to load it. As you can see, our Teams is loading. It will take a while for to be loaded. As you can see now, 2 teams have come across with me. So now it has been loaded successfully, and now it's opening and loading it. So as you can see, my Teams has been loaded quite successful, and now once more it's loading with your accounts and other things. Now your Teams has been loaded and has been successfully signed in with your Microsoft account. You can also log out from here as I have done and sign in from any other account. So as you have seen, the trick was very successful and easy too. So if you like this video, hit the bell like icon and subscribe to this channel, and also click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.